Hello, I'm Rachel Jones and this is Kalkine Media's breaking news. Brisbane residents who've not yet evacuated are being asked to leave their homes as major flooding alert has been issued from Brisbane Council. Parts of Queensland have been inundated with their worst floods in 50 years. 7 people have died as rains led to rivers bursting their banks. 6 people lost their lives in Queensland, including a 34-year-old man who tried to swim to safety when his car was submerged in floodwaters. A man also died in northern New South Wales when his car was carried away by floodwaters. At 3 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time, the SES issued an emergency warning to the Northern Rivers region in New South Wales. Floodwaters have reached their highest levels in half a century along the Wilsons River after reaching 12.26 metres at 5 a.m, breaking the 12.15 metre record set in March 1974. Around 51,000 homes have been left without power in Queensland. More than 1,000 schools have been closed in the state and many people are staying at home to work today. Just before midnight, a severe thunderstorm warning was also issued for the southeast Queensland region for intense rainfall that may lead to dangerous and life-threatening flash flooding. Queensland Premier Anastasia Palaszczuk says the intense weather hitting the state's southeast is like an unpredictable cyclone. She said there are currently 1,544 people in evacuation centres across the southeast as floodwaters continue to rise. Queensland Fire and Emergency Services already received 2,200 requests for assistance overnight, with around 113 rescues around Brisbane, the Gold Coast and Beenleigh. There are also major delays at Brisbane Airport. Now, if you are in need of assistance, contact the SES on 132500 from anywhere in Queensland for non-life-threatening flood and storm emergency assistance. If your situation is life-threatening, always call 000. We'll bring you more on this situation as soon as we get it. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.